Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Jamaica's GraceKennedy Group is spending 215 million Jamaican dollars or 1.7 million US dollars to open its sixth manufacturing plant in Jamaica next year and thus further grow earnings from exports. GraceKennedy Group CEO Don Webby says the 60,000 square foot facility at Denby in the southern parish of Clarendon will be retrofitted with new equipment and commissioned by mid-2018. Webby says it's another opportunity for Jamaican farmers to produce goods that are in high demand in the North American and UK markets. Even amidst strong demand for foreign exchange, the Jamaican dollar strengthened slightly against the three regularly traded international currencies today. In other words, the US and the Canadian dollars and sterling weakened against the local currency. The benchmark American dollar declined by 12 cents Jamaican at an average selling rate of $128.50 Jamaican, while its Canadian counterpart lost 44 cents Jamaican at $98.94. Sterling slipped 19 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $166.39 Jamaican. Authorized dealers and approved cambios bought 51.2 million US dollars and sold $46 million, or 10% less than what they bought. On the equities market, gain by highly capitalized entities such as GraceKennedy, JMMB, Scotia Group, and Sagicor X Fund triggered advances in the Jamaican stock market indices. The combined index gained 0.5%, while the main JC index advanced by over 1,700 points, or 0.7%. 43 stocks traded, with 17 advancing, 19 declining, and 7 holding firm. 3.3 million shares worth $77.7 million traded. Scotia Group, up 1.5%, accounted for over 39% of business. The winners included Barita Investments, Caribbean Producers, Epley, GraceKennedy, JMMB Group, Panjam Investments, Portland JSX, Pulse Investments, Scotia Group, and Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund. The losers included Berger, down 10.3%, Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Dolphin Cove, General Accident, ISP Finance, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Financial Services, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, and Sagicor Group Jamaica. Now finally, international oil prices rose more than 2% Monday, resuming the longest stretch of daily gains in more than 5 years after data pointed to diminished U.S. output. However, analysts said news of rising OPEC production could cap gains. Brent crude futures closed up 91 cents or 1.9% to $49.68 per barrel. The price rose 5.2% last week for the first weekly gain in 6. U.S. crude futures closed up $1.03 or 2.2% to $47.07 a barrel, an almost 1 month high. U.S. crude futures trading volumes were low a day before the U.S. Independence Day holiday. However, the price increases in oil aren't expected to continue in the long term, as speculators in Brent crude futures and options raised their bets against a sustained price rise to the highest level on record in the latest week. In a note last Friday, Citibank wrote that the managed net long position was the smallest since January 2016. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.